Welcome, everyone, to day 8 of the Sign More Dream Clients mini series. 11 days where I'm sharing with you 11 different strategies that you can use in your business, no matter what stage you are in that business, in order for you to land more dream clients. Let's jump straight into day 8 and strategy number 8. If you missed day 1 through 7, I encourage you to go back. The link to each day will be in the comment section below, so go check that out and see what the strategies I've shared with you are, so that you can see what makes the most sense and what aligns for you and your business. Strategy number 8 is about collaboration with gatekeepers. Collaborating with gatekeepers basically means reaching out to people who have the audience of people, your ideal clients, already kind of together. It makes it easier, especially if, let's say, you're just starting out and you don't have a huge audience yet of your ideal clients. This is a great way to get in front of your ideal people without you having to build your own audience. This is a great way to generate leads too, because when you collaborate with gatekeepers, you can, bring those people from that audience into your world and start to nurture and get to know them and create connections and relationships, book them for sales calls and become clients for you. So that's really how this strategy is going to play itself out, is connecting to people in your world who have your ideal clients already in their own audience. It fast tracks everything for you. So what you want to do, you want to actually reach out to admins and moderators of groups that are not competitors, but they have your ideal client and it's complementary. So what do I mean by this? For example, maybe you're a nutrition coach. You would then collaborate with, let's say, personal trainers or maybe fitness coaches. Yes, they may be able to do nutrition, but a lot of them aren't like qualified to do that, or maybe it's not a space where they are the expert in that aspect. So you can come in and share with your audience about nutrition, and maybe you have a unique angle about nutrition that you can create a webinar, a masterclass, a training around that's going to benefit their audience. That is the key. When you are pitching, where you are reaching out to these admins and moderators, you have to showcase why they should allow you to get in front of their audience, right? You have to showcase your expertise, your knowledge. You have to share how what you're going to share is going to be beneficial to their audience. Because at the end of the day, people want you to bring value to the audience. They want to bring value to their audience. And it's not about, oh, let me just train or do this workshop with your audience, and it's all about you. No one's going to say yes to that. You want to make it completely about how you can bring value to and benefit their audience. So one way to be able to do this is to actually go into that group, if it's a free group, and just listen. What are some of the common questions being asked? What are people struggling with? What are people challenged by? What are people frustrated within that group? And if it's around the topic that you like, the problem that you solve and the solution you help people get, take note of what that is. And now you can present that to the admin and say, hey, in your group, I'm seeing that people are really struggling with like how to manage their macros and, what is nutrition and how to understand carb, protein, fat ratio. And now you can present that. Now you can present like facts. And like, I've been in your group for like a couple months and I've been noticing a common thread and common questions and frustrations that people are sharing. And I would love to present a workshop or training that can help them solve that problem. Is that something that you'd be open to? We can collaborate, whatever that may be. So that's something that if they're seeing that too, yes, of course, definitely. All right. So that is something you can look at, is find people who are in, similar industries. They're not your competitors. They offer something complimentary, and you can come in there and train or do a workshop or something of benefit, maybe even a 30-minute live video for their audience, so that you can now bring people into your world. And so how do you do that? You can ask to, at the end, have some type of call to action. You should always have a call to action, but you want to obviously check in with that admin and make sure it's okay that you have a call to action, which could be either your lead magnet, so your freebie, maybe you have a free PDF that they can download, or another workshop that they can attend, whatever it may be, something that will take them off that place and into your email list. Or maybe you can then offer for them to get on a call with you if they want the results, right? Because you want to present the training workshop, make it really good, you brought value to their lives. And now if they want support or guidance in order to get that full result, then you can offer, hey, I have a free strategy call that I give at the end. If that's something you're interested in, book my link, right? And then you can put your schedule link there and you can get some calls booked and then turn them into clients, right? Convert them into clients, sign new amazing clients. So that's a strategy that you can use. Again, make sure you get permission from the admin and a moderator in order to be able to pitch your link or your PDF or whatever freebie you have, okay? So that's a free Facebook group or free space wherever you're doing this, right? Maybe a LinkedIn group, or maybe a Reddit group or a Quora group, or collaborating on a YouTube video. Ultimately, the principles and the foundations of this work for any platform. So that's the free stuff. The other aspect of this is you can go into paid groups. Now, paid groups have a higher value because they're paid. And what do I mean by paid groups? These are usually memberships that people have actually paid to be a part of that group. Maybe they're part of a mastermind, they're part of a group coaching program, or course. These are people who are more likely to convert because they are people who are pulling out their money and saying, I want a solution to this problem. So when you're in a paid space, now your percentage or your conversion rates will be a lot higher because people have already said that they are serious about getting this problem solved because they've invested, right? If it's a free group, you have people, the stragglers, the freebie seekers, the looky-loos, the people who are just, I'm going to chill, I'm just going to see what I can piece together from this free space. But when you're in a space where it's paid, you now know these are people who are serious. They've pulled out money in order to get their problem solved. How you pitch this. These admins and moderators, especially, and this coaches usually, when it comes to the paid groups, they're very protective of it, as they should be, right? These are their people, their clients. You want to reach out to maybe someone who's complimentary, again, who has your ideal clients. If you are a brand strategist, another example, you would want to collaborate maybe with a sales coach because you guys don't do the same thing, but you serve the same audience, entrepreneurs. Do you see where I'm going with this? Make sure it's someone who has your audience, but it isn't a direct competition. Well, you could go into direct competition, but being able to pitch them why you should present in front of their audience may be a little more challenging, right? So that being said, when you do pitch them for the paid group, again, you have to bring value. What are you bringing different that's going to enhance the experience of their clients? That's going to enhance their audience's knowledge, or help them get faster results, or bring something more to what they already are learning in that space. So you have to think about that. This requires some research, my friends, before you actually dive into it. You want to take a step back and just think about, like, who are people that I can collaborate with? What can I bring to their audiences now? How can you support that coach to really support those clients that they already have in that paid space to make sure their experience is better? So with the example of a brand strategist, so you can reach out to the sales coach and say, hey, I'm a brand strategist. This is how I help, entrepreneurs to really elevate their brand so that their perception in the marketplace is enhanced as high ticket, going to help them stand out as high end so that they can have more people reaching out to them and getting on sales calls, feeling already pre-sold because they're like, this person is the person for me. So think about what's the angle, what's the way you can really approach this person and help enhance what they're doing, help expand upon what they're doing, or just bring an expert knowledge that's going to help their people, because we want to support our clients in the best way possible. So you'll see a lot of coaches will bring experts into our containers to help support our clients in a deeper way, to give them something that's going to give them an advantage in this space. So how can you, in your market, whatever it is that you do, life coach, parent coach, mindset coach, health coach, fitness coach, nutrition coach, it doesn't matter, whatever it is that you do, how can you collaborate with people, gatekeepers, admins, moderators, in order to bring value to their groups so that you now get in front of your ideal clients and you're able to, sell to them. Most paid groups, they're okay with you having a CTA as well. They're okay with you either pitching one of your lead magnets or even, offering to have people get on calls with you. Usually I would say a lead magnet, that way you can actually be able to get people in your email list and then offer a call or your offer or any of those other aspects, whereas a call, people may not yet be ready to take that next step. And so you've kind of missed out on people. So my suggestion would be to pitch your lead magnet, get people to take your lead magnet, make it really irresistible, amazing, so that they want to get on your email list. And then from there, you can then offer the call to action, which is to jump on a call with you if they want the support or guidance to get this result. Okay, so this one's a little more advanced in terms of the strategy, but ultimately, what does it lead to? Clients when it's done the right way, and it leads to you growing your audience, especially if you're just starting out, because now you don't need to like go out and reach out. You can just be in someone else's space and attract those people. And the best part about this is you are borrowing that trust. The know, like, and trust happens very quickly because that audience, they trust the host, they trust the admin, they trust that coach who's bringing you into their space. And so there's that exchange of trust that happens very quickly because they're like, if they're bringing you here, you must be an expert, right? They don't question it. They just hear what you have to say, taking that knowledge, and then make the decision if this is something that they want to move forward with. Okay. So this is a really powerful strategy. It's helped me get clients. It's helped me grow my email list exponentially. It's just getting in front of admins and reaching out and pitching. And the mindset here is service, and how can you be of value and benefit that group? When you can showcase that, whether it's a free group or paid group, people will be open to that, right? But you have to make that pitch very irresistible. Now, if you want to know how to pitch admins, moderators, coaches, whomever who have groups of your ideal people, then I invite you to check out the Next Level Impact Mastermind. I have a whole section where I have pitch scripts and things that show with you how to actually reach out to your ideal client, your collaborators, so that they can get you in front of your ideal people. Because there are nuances. It's not just the script itself. It is how do you position yourself in a way that makes you credible and someone that people are excited to bring in front of their audiences, so that you can then go ahead and share your knowledge, share your value, but then also bring them into your list. So there's a whole process there. The pitching piece, the creating the training workshop piece to make sure that it actually is valuable, but also is going to move people into a sales call. And then from the sales call piece into becoming clients. So if that's something that you crave deeper personalized support around and guidance around, then I'm inviting you to the Next Level Impact Mastermind. It's my 4-month mastermind where we help you master your message, nail your offers, position yourself as the go-to expert so that you can land more premium clients consistently in your business. And this is one of the more advanced strategies that we teach to really show you how to position yourself as a go-to expert and get more people reaching out to you as well, so that you can land more dream clients in your business. So if that's something you're interested in, I'm going to also link that below in the comment section. Go check it out. And if you have any questions about it, do not hesitate to reach out to me in the DMs on Facebook or Instagram at Oninye Sianike. Reach out to me, let me know what questions you have, concerns you have, or if you just want to make sure it's a good fit for you, let me know. We can chat, we can see where you're at in your business and make sure that this is something that you can apply it into your business for sure. But if you want deeper support and personalized, customized scripts and pitches so that you actually get people to say yes to you, reach out to me and let me know, and we can chat about that, okay? All right, my friends, thank you for joining me for day 8. Tomorrow is day 9, strategy number 9. As always, let me know, if what your thoughts are on this strategy. Like it, you're not sure, where are you at when it comes to this strategy? Is this one that you want to try out? Do you know some people that you want to reach out to already and you're excited to kind of implement this and get this going? Let me know, okay? As always, my friends, I will see you all tomorrow. Have an amazing, wonderful rest of your day. Take care and stay blessed.